1, 2, 3, 4. Hi. What is that?
So,
Here. Ocean. Oh, so it's one ocean.
show me your mind. Do you use one hand or both of your hands?
Too much. Me. Okay, we can do that.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. My turn.
Okay.
Tap.
Oil.
Oh, you're cool. You turn. Really? You turn. I hold this to stop.
Not too fast. Oil. Yes. My arm is so sore.
My姐姐，这个
Almost done.
what is that?
Yogurt.
To use yogurt?
Yes.
A little bit yogurt.
We need 80 kilogram of yogurt.
Oh, I want to try.
A little bit more. Also need milk. Put this down first. Milk. 60 kilogram. Tell me to stop, okay? Start again.
Gentle me.
Oh. Okay. That's enough. And this is baking powder. One more. Okay. Yes. Salt. Go.
南瓜下摇。
One. Can you see? So this is 1 teaspoon. One tea.
现在妈妈爸爸。金香朵。
Want to smell it? What does that
Smell
mean?
like flower. Looks like coffee.
Or like this? They are coming down. Can you see?
Yes.
You want me to do it?
No.
You can use your hand. Gently. Yes.
Because I did it.
Okay, maybe it's done like this. Yes. Okay. Doop, 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 doop. Easy? A little bit higher. Yes.
Looks like the water is coming out from the shower head.
Wow, you're doing so good.
Gonna shine.
Aren't you?
Hmm.
Let's finish it. Wow, so fast. Next. Mix them again.
Let me do it first.
Yeah, we need to do it gently because there's a lot of powder in it.
这是瓦吉哦。My turn. My turn. 瓦吉你好。My turn. Show me. Okay. Show me. Look, I don't have any.
We need to add one more thing. Do you know what that is?
No.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
We need to mix this properly first. But you guys did very well already. It's a little bit too difficult to start, right? Maybe we can add some more milk.
Okay.
I'm going to take another start. Dun, dun, dun.
What is
Dun, 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 dun.
Me. Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Me too.
Me too.
Daddy come, you can tell Daddy.
Daddy, we make pumpkin muffin for you, right?
Okay, I think it's good to put into the muffin cup. Let's do it.
Muffin, 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 muffin. Don't tap. So cool. Yes.
Mommy, what are you gonna do?
Cut. Okay, we are doing. Now.
I'm gonna show you one. Scoop, too much. We need another scoop. Press it down to make sure there's no air at the bottom, okay?
Why? I want to.
You want to do it first?
Yes.
Okay, let's take turns to do it, okay?
Not yet. I'm not done yet.
This is cream cheese.
Too much. Me. Why your thing is so messy?
You want to do this one?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Get this one. Okay, they look very good.
I want to eat this one. I want to eat this one.
You say you want to eat this one. You change your mind?
I changed my mind.
Cinnamon.
So nice.
So nice. Let's wait.
Yummy.
Here you go.
いただきます。A little bit too dry. 美味しい。とても美味しい。
This one? Yes. じゃじゃん。
いただきます。Good.